Polo Gum is a brand new concept of chewing gum. It is a mix of the original Polo mint with the chewing gum, giving both the original Polo design with the added extra of minty gum. The chewing gum and confectionery market is worth nearly 300 million per annum, a staggering amount of money, and Polo Gum would help the company obtain a larger share of that market. The aim is to achieve around a 5% share within the first year. Polo Gum has a number of objectives it would like to achieve. They include to launch the product successfully, enhance the brand, gain some new customers, obtain a 12% market share by 2016, and these targets are realistic and achievable, but will challenge the business sufficiently. Political. The current government has caused uncertain times for business. This affects Polo not only directly with things such as tax, but also indirectly as consumers have less money to spend. Economic. Recession is a word on the UK's lips. It has caused the downfall of many businesses. The growth of the product could be hindered with the current economic climate. Social. The more healthy conscious people will notice that Polo Gum is sugar-free. This will help the appeal to a wider variety of people. It could also gain us backing from dental sponsors. Technological. The extent of how well Polo Gum affects dental care can be measured because of technology, helping the perception of the brand. This can also be spread throughout many more outlets now due to social networking. Legal. A clean-up tax could well be put into place for the clearance of gum around UK streets. This may give the chewing gum product bad press and could lead to the business being hit with extra costs. Environmental. Chewing gum is often not disposed of properly. This again affects the environment. The more gum is sold, the more there is to be littered around.
The microenvironment is also an important factor for Polo. It goes without saying that the main stakeholders are crucial to any business. It is within the company's interest to please these stakeholders, and the launch of a new product is one way of doing that. The equipment and skills used in the business are also key to the success of the launch. It is paramount that all equipment serves its purpose and that the business houses the right skills needed for a product launch. Strengths. Polo is already a well-recognised and reputable brand. This gives Polo Gum a good chance to succeed. Britain is the 7th largest consumer of chewing gum, which proves how big the market we intend to enter really is. Weaknesses. The current confectionery market has strong competitors. The likes of Cadbury's and Wrigley's hold large shares. Internally, the product is brand new. It has never been manufactured before. This needs to be rehearsed and perfected. Opportunities. There is the opportunity to expand the brand with new flavours, textures and fillings, but the original Polo Gum brand must first be established. Threats. The biggest threat are the competitors of the company. They have the ability to make the launch suffer with their powerful market position. The stigma surrounding chewing gum is also a very large issue. Marketing strategy. The main strategy to market will be using the already popular and well-known product Polo already produces. A promotion effort will be sustained throughout, however, a large push will accompany the launch. This will include free giveaways, tasters, and the potential for in-shop promotions. We would also like to gain sponsorship of festivals in the UK and provide stalls to sell the gum from in the grounds of the festival. This would be brilliant exposure for the launch.
We arrived at our estimated costs by researching Trident Gum, one of the main competitors for the new product. There will be a budget of 10 million to launch the product, with an ongoing 2 million investment per annum thereafter to maintain product awareness. The estimated value of income for year 1 is 17.75 million. This is based on a 5% market share which we aim to take within the first year. To evaluate the success of the launch and the first year in the market, we would see how well our market share is progressing as an obvious factor. We would then aim to build our database of primary research, in which we would hope to find out if the product has had a good entry to the market and has been well received by the customers. Importantly, we aim to have an ongoing evaluation throughout the first year to make sure Polo Gum is heading in the same direction as the successful and famous mint with the holes.